Welcome to Melita's Delicacies. Friends, back again with one more tempting chicken dish. Friends, thank you very much for your love and support, and please continue doing so. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel now for more interesting local and seasonal delicacies. Today I'm going to cook the famous chicken stick. In Goa it is very famous. Of this you can make even the chicken stick bread. So continue watching till the end to learn how to make the chicken stick. So I've taken a full chicken breast and I've washed it, and I'm cutting it into 4 pieces. If you make more smaller pieces, then it will become very small. So don't make more than 4 pieces. Friends, I hope you have seen my other chicken dishes. If not, end of this video I'm linking the playlist. Please do watch my chicken roulade and chicken roast recipes as well. Now let's marinate this chicken. So before that, just transfer it in a plate and let's get prepared with the marination. Now here I have taken 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, half teaspoon of chaat masala, 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix these ingredients well. Now juice of 1 lemon or 1.5 tablespoon of lemon juice it is, or you can add vinegar. 1 tablespoon of butter. This is unsalted butter. And 1 tablespoon of mustard sauce. If you don't have mustard sauce, you can just add mustard seasoning. Now let's marinate the chicken breast with this spice mixture. Make sure that you apply this spice paste to the chicken well. Rub it into the chicken so that it gets well marinated and it turns out really good. Now take a fork and just pierce the chicken all over so that it gets tenderized, and the masalas will also get inside the chicken well. Friends, I hope you have tried my chicken sorpatel and the chicken frankie recipe also. Now let it rest for about half an hour. In a pan, now add 2 tablespoons of oil on low flame. Add finely chopped about 1.5 tablespoon of garlic. Saute it till golden so that the oil turns aromatic, and place your chicken breast on it. This will give a very good little burnt kind of a flavor of the garlic to the chicken. Now you see, I have not used any semolina to coat the chicken. I like it this way. If you want to coat it with semolina, please do it. But then when you add semolina, it absorbs a lot of oil. I'm preferring to use less of oil here. Now I had used only 2 tablespoons of oil so far. I have not used any more oil. And ensure at all times that the chicken is getting fried on low to medium flame. Right now I have made my flame completely low because the chicken is 80% ready. Just for another 2-3 minutes more. Now at this time add 2 teaspoons of butter so that once the chicken is almost done, now once you remove the chicken, it remains nice and juicy. Add some dry herbs if you have. If you don't have, it is okay. I'm just sprinkling it with some rosemary, oregano and dry mint leaves. If you have at home fresh coriander or mint leaves, please garnish it with, so that it releases its flavors into the chicken. my chicken stick is ready. I'm turning off the flame, and as I turn off the flame, I'm transferring the chicken into a plate. If you leave it in the pan, as the pan is hot, it will continue cooking, and overcooking of the chicken, especially the breast, makes it rubbery, chewy kind of like. So to avoid that, here my delicious chicken stick is ready. It is inviting, so juicy and tempting. I'm just going to have it with salad. You can see how juicy it is, but my children like the chicken stick bread, so I am going to make chicken stick bread for them. You can also do it, but personally I just love to eat this chicken with salad. It tastes great, and it is a good option for those who are conscious of their calories, because I have not used much oil, cooked on slow flame, so it ensures to be more healthier. And with salad, it's a good for the Weight Watchers. And I've not used semolina, so obviously low calories. And this is my homemade tomato ketchup. I have my tomato ketchup recipe on my channel. Please do watch it. Thank you friends for watching this video till the end. Continue showering your love and blessings through your likes, shares and subscribes, and to comment how did you like this recipe of chicken stick. Try this recipe with your family and do enjoy. It tastes so delicious. My mouth is salivating, friends. I just can't wait it. My chicken stick is waiting for me with the salad. Thank you for watching. God bless. Happy cooking. Please, if you have not subscribed as yet, click on my photograph and subscribe to Melita's Delicacies right now. And do click on the link given below to watch my other chicken recipe videos. Thank you.